Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add HD admin in your Roblox game in Roblox Studio. So just load up the Roblox Studio app, click on my games here, find a game in which we want to add HD admin. So for example, I'll do this first game here, and once the game loads, what we want to do is we want to focus on toolbox here, and we're going to use the search bar to search. Now make sure you have selected models. This is very important, so models. And we're going to search for HD admin. Just click on the first that pops up, and here you will be able to see HD admin. Simply left click on it and drag it on here, and we're just going to click on OK, and we will have added HD admin right here. So you can see the scripts, we can see the part here, so we got the point, original, back, front, and the settings here. If we double click, it's going to look like this, and we can change the rank, so on and so forth, and we can add ourselves as admins if we want to. So that's basically how we do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.